Hi guys, welcome to another property tour with the property viewers. Today we'll be looking at the Glenmuir Country Club in Clarendon. Mrs. Beverley Palmer will be giving us a tour of this lovely property today.
So, welcome to Glenmuir Country Club. This is a 3-bed, 3-bath unit. We just recently furnished, just so that you get a better idea. Can I draw your attention to the high ceilings, recessed lighting? So what we will do, we'll turn to the left here to take a look at the main bedroom first.
Spacious, very
It
spacious.
is, and this is a king-size bed. So we're challenged these days as to whether we can call it a master or the main. So it's whatever you want it to be. So you see, even if you wanted to put a smaller bed, you could slot it into this corner.
Right.
But this is a king size.
Okay.
All right?
I like the tiles as well.
Porcelain. And look at this lovely surprise. Look how, go inside and look how high up they go.
So this is like a walk-in closet?
Two. There
Two.
you are.
Oh, wow. Is that hers?
Yep. And that's the second one.
Nice.
So you have his and hers, no arguing, whether you're married or not. No arguing. All right. And let's step into the bathroom. So the fixtures are all mowing, so you know those are top.
Right.
Top finishing.
This tub.
Isn't it amazing?
Wow.
This looks like some HGTV stuff.
Hey, listen, this is Jamaica, right? We have everything. We have everything.
Got the shower.
So I'll draw your attention again to the high ceilings.
And it's double vanity.
Alright, so we're going to just step across and go to the 2 bedrooms. It's coming. Alright, so we're just stepping across to the second bedroom now. This is a queen size bed. So you'll see it's fitted for AC, but ACs do not come with the units.
Oh, okay.
But the fitting is all there.
closet. Nice size.
So this is a bathroom that's shared by both both bedrooms. I'll let you go ahead and take a look. Nice big shower again. You can go that side first. Yeah. Okay, so to your left now is the second bedroom that's been conveniently fitted with twin beds, just so that you get a better idea of the space. I mean, you could still easily have a king size in here if you wanted to.
Definitely. The closet size though, it's so large.
Yeah. Yeah, porcelain. And once again, you have your plumbing for AC. So it doesn't come with AC though, let me make sure I tell you. And it doesn't come with the grill work either. That's something that you would need to put in for yourself.
Okay.
So we're going into the kitchen now. This is one of my little favourite spots, these cupboards here. I love them. I love that idea.
It's like a pantry.
Right, so instead of having just the back of that, you kind of put something there that looks nice and it's functional. So you have your granite countertops. Lister, remind me about the fencing.
Picket fence on the back and the side.
Okay, thanks. So here is the laundry room. Look at your yard. Look at the size of this yard, and it goes all around.
All the way around.
It wraps completely around.
This is a lot of yard space.
Isn't it? You don't get this in town.
No, you don't.
I mean, this is your family home. Once you buy it, that's it.
That's it, right? So you'll get these palm trees.
Yeah. So along here now, as Lister was saying, it's picket fencing.
Okay. It's beautiful.
So this is your 3-bed, 3-bath, 2.5 bath. So we are going to come in through, kitchen is at the back here. You have your front veranda, living room, dining, breakfast area, kitchen to the back. Then you have your pantry to the left there and powder room. And then upstairs now you have your 2 bedrooms with the 2 ensuite bathrooms. So the, oh, you're taking a picture, so you can see all of the amenities.
How many units?
It's 55 in all, and we'll be selling 54. I think that the developer's keeping one to himself, which is
Okay.
usual. So there's going to be, there's going to be a clubhouse, a pool, maintenance. They're estimating at, well, they've said maintenance is at 15,000 a month.
We We must give credit to the developer Cadre Management Consultants Limited for offering residents luxurious living in Clarendon. This development is ideal for young professionals and returning residents who have a preference for gated communities. It features 24-hour security, a clubhouse, a swimming pool, a fitness center, and a convenience store.
So that's the wall you pass as you're coming in. So this will be living, kitchen, dining, cupboards, everything.
So here will be the kitchen.
That's right, yeah.
Like the detached home, the townhouse features high ceilings throughout the unit. It has porcelain floor tiles, mowing fixtures, granite countertops, and hardwood cabinets. This is the laundry area. Okay guys, let's go upstairs. So here is bedroom number 1 with an ensuite bathroom. This right here is bedroom number 2, which also comes with an ensuite bathroom. Thank you for viewing the Glenmuir Country Club with us. For additional information, check the description box below. You may also contact the agents that are listed in the description box if you are interested in this property. If you want more content like this, remember to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Also, share the video with your families and friends, whoever you think would benefit from this video, and turn your post notification bell on. See you next time. Bye.